Welcome to the tutorial on how to set up your fuel tanks on Yachtsapp. Open your vessel's home page, go to the fuel status, then tap View Details. From Fuel Management, switch to Tank Settings and tap Set up Fuel Tanks. Choose the unit of measurement used on board between gallons or liters and select the number of fuel tanks on board. Give each tank a clear name, like Main or Reserve, then enter the tank capacity and add any other tanks you need. When you're ready, tap Add Tanks to save. After that, head back to Fuel Logs and use the green plus button to start logging readings so your fuel status stays up to date. There will be multiple ways to update fuel readings. Here in the Fuel Reading Entry feature, and more conveniently in the Nav Logs and Systems checks. And with this, you've completed the setup for your fuel tanks on Yachtsapp.